Hi, today I talk about to describe a mechanical engineer. I can know a mechanical engineer named Nam. He is tall, has short black hair and wear glass. He is smart, hardworking, and very friendly. Nam works as a manufacturing company where he designs and less mechanical STEM and machinery. At work, he often checks equipment, reads theoretical drawing, and software mechanical problems. He usually wore a blue uniform, safety shorts, and sometimes a helmet when he goes to the factory floor. He enjoys his job and always tries his best to improve major performance. So, thanks for listening.